Hello, so welcome to the Cool Crochet Society. I'm Kelly and today I'm going to show you how to do the front post double crochet. So I've started a couple here and can you see how they're raised up? So you make them by double crocheting around the post of the stitch below. So normally you would make your stitch in these loops at the top. To do a front post, you ignore these and you're going into the post instead. And that creates this raised texture, which you can create in all kinds of ways. If I just bring this square in here, this is the Alpine stitch. Oops, upside down. And you see this lovely texture it's created using front posts in an alternate way. And it creates this really tall texture. You see that there? And it's this lovely raised look that's really lovely to and thick. So it makes a really thick fabric. So how do we make them? So we're always going to be working in the post of the row below. So you yarn over. Let's get this right. And you insert your hook to the right on that post, push it all the way through so you can see the hook going through the back, yarn over, get up there, and then just create your double crochet as normal. 2 loops and through the other 2 loops, and that's all there is to it. And it's just going to grab onto a stitch from the row below and it's just hooked around it. But it causes the stitch at the bottom to rise up and raise, and it's raised above as well because it's sitting on top of the normal stitch. So you get this ridge at the back, completely normal, and this raised texture at the front. So there again, yarn over, hook to the right of the post, push it through the back to the side, yarn over, pull through. You want to try and make sure that it kind of grabs on at the top. So we just pull it up and then complete your double crochet as normal. And that is the front post double crochet. And that is it. So as always, if you need any more help or have any questions, come over to my Facebook group. The link is in the description or in the banner. You just click there and it'll bring you over. I'm always happy to help, and we have lots more crochet tips and ideas over there as well. And I will see you next time. So thank you for joining me, and bye for now.